Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an amazing oceanfront property for sale. This villa was built in 2013 and it is located in Westend, Negril. It is in an excellent location, which is between Cliff Hotel and Little Waters. This gem offers high-end resort-style living with a picturesque oceanfront and direct access to the sea. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and sits on 0.64 acres of land. Enjoy the family orientation ambiance with a beautiful landscape having the beach and cliff frontage as a backdrop. This dream home is comprised of a living and dining room, foyer, inbuilt kitchen with ground level cupboards, 2 wheelchair accessible bedrooms and bathrooms downstairs, spacious walk-in closet, powder room, front and rear patio. Upstairs is a open concept sleeping area with 2 beds, 1 bathroom and oceanfront veranda with daybed along with high ceilings offering a continuous flow of the Caribbean sea breeze through the accommodation. From the entrance with electronic gate via a tropical driveway, you pass a small cabin, a self-contained cottage and laundry before reaching the elegantly designed villa, which is 5 minutes drive away from the famous 7 Mile beach. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 995,000 or Jamaican $153.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.